And this bit now we're getting onto is that my lovely Monique put a little video out the other day because for Easter they're going to do some wreaths.
So all these rings are made from different trees and plants. So silver birch, or birch you could say, apple, another apple. This one is ivy, and this one is honeysuckle.
And she has classes, so this is her trust. You can go to the web page and have a look. It's called the Glade Trust. It's in Yorkshire, and they would like people to come and help them as well. Yeah, there it is. Volunteers Friday 1 PM to 4 PM. And there it is in Yorkshire. Dove's Cottage. There's the telephone number if you live in Yorkshire and you would like to participate in this.